Okay, today we're going to learn how to set up the Amazon account and create a wish list. All right? You do not need to download the Amazon app. You can find this in the browser. You can do all this stuff in the browser, and this is how you're going to do it. You can even do it on your cell phone if you have internet access. So I opened up to Google, and I'm going to type in Amazon. Hit enter. First thing that comes up, Amazon.com. Online shopping, yada, yada, yada. I'm going to click it. Here I am in Amazon. Did I have to download this app? No, Mrs. Taglavore, you did not. So the first thing I'm going to do is go over here where it says accounts and lists. And I'm going to go here where it says new customer. And I'm going to I'm going to click start here. So I'm going to create an account. Okay? So I'm going to put you're going to enter your name in. I'm going to add my name. Okay, so I'm going to put my name in. Mrs. Taglavore. Spelled my name wrong. Okay, my email address is okay, I'm going to enter my password. It has to be 6 characters. You're not going to look at that. Then you enter it again. Okay. Now I entered my password in. I re-entered it. Now I'm ready to set up my account. So now I just have to verify my email. So they're going to send me a one-time password. All right, so now I have to check my email. I went to my email, I checked it, and then they gave me a one-time code, which is a numeric code. You get it from your email, write it down on a piece of paper, go back over here to Amazon, okay, and then enter it in. But it's a secret code, so you can't see my number. So I'm going to enter it in. Okay, and then after you enter it in, you're going to click create your Amazon account. Okay, now you're in. All right. Okay, so now you're in. Now we're going to go over here to this part of the screen where it says hello Taglavore. That's me. It'll say hello, whoever you are. And then we're going to look here. It says account and list. So we are going to create a list. Okay, now this list is for me, as it would be for you. But it's not a shopping list, this is a wish list. So we're going to click that. And we're going to title it. Okay, it says wish list. I'm going to hit space, and then I'm going to type my name. You're going to type your name. Okay. Now, the next step is we want to make sure that this isn't a private list. We want it to be a public list because we want to be able to share it with other people. Those of you that are seniors and have been adopted by the people from the district, you will make it public. You will send this link to them, and then this is where they will purchase the item they wish to gift to you because of your graduation. So we're going to hit public. And the recipient's name is myself, Mrs. Taglavore. When you do it, your name is going to be there. Now we are going to click Create a List. All right. So first thing we're going to do is decide some things that we'd like to purchase. You may be into movies. There may be DVDs you'd want to purchase. You may be into books. There could be books you want. There could be art supplies. You're into drawing and painting. You may want to put in colored pencils, sketchbook. You may want to order a backpack to take your belongings to and from to work. You might want to get a lunch bag because now a lot of you will start working and you have to bring your lunch or your dinner depending upon what shift you work. And there's tons of things. There's nothing you can't purchase on Amazon. Okay? But I will caution you, please, these people are being very generous to purchase a gift for you. So please be realistic. Like, we don't need a PlayStation or a go-kart or something that is several $100s. Let's be realistic and try to keep things under $100. Okay? But you should give the person some options of things to buy you. You may also need clothes for work. You know, you're starting a new job, you're not wearing a school uniform anymore, and you may need, nice shirts to wear to work, or a collared shirt to wear to work, or some nice pants, something along those lines. That's okay to ask for those things as well. Okay? So let's go back here and Google search for some things. Okay? So let's say it's art supplies. So we're going to type in colored pencils. Okay? You guys are adults, so you can say for adults. So now we're going to search. Okay? Here's a whole mess of pages and pages of this stuff is going to be on here. Okay? All kinds of stuff. Oops. There'll be hundreds of different ones to pick from. But just to show you how to do this, I'm going to pick this group here. Okay? So I'm going to click on this item. Okay? Shows me the item, shows me the price, and it also gives me a choice over here. I can add this to a list. And if you scroll down just a little from the top, you will come to a drop box like this. Okay? It says add to list. You are going to click this down arrow. And your list will come up. Eventually. Okay. So here's my wish list. It's public. I'm going to click on that. Okay, I've added it. It says one item added to wish list, Mrs. Taglavore. And I'm going to keep shopping. Okay. All right, so I'm going to go back to the top. I am going to show you something here. In the search at the top up here, there's a little drop box on this side here to the left. If I click this arrow, it'll show me all the different categories that they have in Amazon. All the way. They're in an alphabetical list. Okay. All different things. Okay. So I want to get a backpack. So I'm going to go here with luggage and travel, and I'm going to click on that. And then up here, I'm going to type in backpack. Hit enter. All these different types of backpacks come up. All right, I like this one. I like Vera Bradley. I'm going to pick it. Okay. And it's in stock. That's good for me. I'm going to go down here. And I'm going to look for the add to list drop box. All right. hit the down arrow. Here's my list. I'm going to click on that. Okay, I'm going to view my list now. All right, I showed you how to add 2 things to your list. You can add more things. All right, but right now I have the backpack I picked and I have the colored pencils. So my list is good. All right, now you can send the list to others. Okay, you can invite someone to view only because you don't want them to be able to edit your list. So to view only, and then I can copy this link. All right, and then I could take the link and I could email it. All right, so for the purpose of this video, because I copied it, I'm going to go into my email. Okay, and I'm going to create a new message. And I'm going to send the email to whoever, but down here inside the message, I am going to paste. That's my Amazon link. Okay? And when you do it, it'll say, check out my list on Amazon. All right? And when you click on that, it's going to bring me right to the list. Okay? So when you send that email to myself, or which you should do, is send it to me so I can give it to the person who's going to actually buy the present for you. When they click on it, this is what they're going to see. And then they'll make their choice and they will send the items to you. Okay? I hope this was helpful. Please let me know if you need any other assistance in creating the list. Okay?